Hey everyone, this is PatrickTBulger, financial advisor at Summit Financial Networks. Thanks for clicking here today. I appreciate it. Today's video is called Who I Work With. This is just part of an introductory welcome to the site or wherever you pick this up, and I'll keep it brief and I'll divide it up into different topics as we go, as to not bore you to death with how it all turns out, because basically there's a lot to explain. I work with busy people who are used to operating in complex, higher pressure situations. It basically is people who understand complexity. What I do is complex at its higher levels. And so it's not a commercial where somebody's sitting at their kitchen table catching whatever ice cubes sideways in their cup, and it's not a place for do-it-yourself. It's for people who want their capital treated very seriously. To me, it's a Super Bowl every day. And there's a lot of data behind it. We cover that in a new video that will be coming out soon, which is called What We Do. And so this is the who we work with. But in any high pressure, high function system, whether it's a C-suite, whether it's a military, whether you're a founder, professional sport, critical infrastructure, or head of a household, you're normally juggling multiple dimensions, variable outcomes, and making it all happen. And whether you're managing teams or whether you're managing solo or managing a family, like they all take very similar situations of discipline and data and outlooks, etc. I do the complex work for you with the rigor that you would expect if you were to do it yourself, and if you had an extra 3 decades or so to comprehend how it all works, what it all works, from the data to the allocations to the risk definitions. Again, we'll go into all that later, but we're here to take it seriously. If you'll notice, PatrickTBulger.com, there's no dot after the T. That's the website. There's a bio out there. There's a blog out there. If you ever want to know what I'm thinking, I post a couple times a week, and it's a bit of an outlet for me. It's, when I see data being either misreported or spun or misinterpreted or something, it's an outlet for me to write about it and give you my view. And so I think you get some very valuable insights, because much of the headline data or opinions you read are spun in some direction or have someone on the other end of them who has a different desired outcome or incentive to, arrive at their conclusion. My conclusion is based on what's best for you. How do I add value to you? And so that's what I do here. I'm geeky about it. I love what I do. And I'll go ahead and wrap it up here. Click the subscribe button below. If you want to link to the website, I believe that's below in the description somewhere. You can click on a few things and find that. And that's it for now. Until next time, all the best. Thanks for tuning in.